Hey YouTube, it's SJ. I am back after a 4-month absence because I haven't been buying sneakers, but I have a package here. I actually did it. I bought a pair of sneakers and I'm going to unbox the Leo Baker Orange Label Bruin High, and we're going to speed up Mr. B right about now. See, I'm proper out of practice on the old unboxing. So, what have we got here? We have got camera number 2. We've got a Nike SB Bruin High ISO. They're team red, night maroon black. They're a UK 6, US 7. These have also got women's sizing on, so they're a women's UK 6 as well, but a women's US 8.5. These, I actually got these from Attitude. They were $69.99. So I'm quite excited to unbox these because it has been so long. Now you may remember way back when, if you watched Sneaker Streaming Sunday, I initially wasn't that keen on these because of the black sole, but over time I've really grown to like these. So let's have a look. Oh, a beanie. Oh, thank you guys. I will put this out of the way now. But I'm in an R-ing over these, but because the quality of my Orange Label blazers is so good, I was like, you know what? I actually really want another pair of red shoes because my vintage blazers that are white and red are kind of battered now, and I kind of wanted a pair that I could wear every day to replace those, hence buying these. And I also really like the whole, Leo Baker is very much an LGBT plus advocate, and if you watch the video on Nike SB, which is about this pair of sneakers and the clothes that actually went with the Orange Label drop at the same time, it's a really, really good video, and Leo talks about the whole inclusivity, not conforming, wearing what you want, and that's just me, really. So I kind of felt I had to get these. And the leather on these, and at just first look, Mr. B, let's go in. It is super nice. It's really nice and soft. This is very much like the leather on the other Orange Label sneakers that we've got. It's real, real nice. It's a really nice maroon red as well. I'm just gonna unlace them a little bit. The laces are really nice as well. I'm not sure I can show you on this one, Mr. B. They've got this sort of sheen to them. They're just kind of nice. Let's just lace it, loosen it off, because I said this before recently, blazers and anything from SB just comes so well laced. It's a real effort to try and get in and actually unlace, but I want to have a look inside because these have got some really nice detail on the sole. And again, if you look at that Nike SB video, you'll actually see this properly because, oh, I might have done it. I've never done this. Oh my God. I've done it. You got L Baker on the inside. And I've never done that. I'm always too scared. Mr. B does it all the time. But am I going to be able to get it back in is going to be the question. Oh God, I'm not going to be able to do it, am I? Why did I do that? Why did we do that? There we go. Back in, back in. Alternate laces are black. I think I'm just going to keep them as is. The inner sole's the same. It's just a really, really nice, clean sneaker. Let's have a look. I've never had a pair of Bruins either. This is my first pair of Bruins, and again, another reason for me to purchase them. And what I like about this Orange Label as well is the price point, $69.99. That's pretty good for a pair of sneakers, particularly of this quality, and the fact that they're going to wear really, really well. So let's see if you can get in properly on sneaker cam, Mr. B. So you've got the black midsole, this really nice leather, as I said, that will wear really, really well. You've got this stitching alongside the swoosh. Just says Nike at the back, just super clean. Then on the inside, as I said, you've got that inner sole. And you've got a really nice maroon Nike SB tongue tab. Excuse the state of my nails. I'm going to take this up to you. In fact, overhead cam, take a look at that. It's just a clean sneaker. Nice sole. Nice materials. Just nice. Just real nice. I can take this out to you, camera one, so you can actually see that colour's coming across really well. Just super nice. And you, camera two, neglecting you. Just a really, really nice. I've done it again! You can tell it's been 4 months since I've done one of these. Don't focus on me, camera. Focus on the sneaker. There you go. There you go. Look at that. I still would have preferred a different colour midsole. Probably a gum one, I think may have looked even nicer. But, you know, I've done it now. I've done it now. They're nice. What do you think, Mr. B?
I think they're really, really nice. I love the look of the leather on them. I love that maroon actually. It's almost a burgundy. It's almost a Bordeaux.
Oh God.
It's a Bordeaux, isn't it? It's verging on a Bordeaux.
I've done it, haven't I? I've basically bought pairs of sneakers that I've already got. Although to be fair, those Air Force Ones that Mr. B is referring to off to the side here, they are pretty old now. So yeah, but I'm really looking forward to wearing these. In fact, when we scoot out to do our food shop, I'm gonna wear these because let's be honest, we're in isolation. So when else am I gonna get to show these off? Because they are super, super nice. Now I know that was a super, super quick one because there isn't much to say on these other than it's a really nice pair of sneakers, just super nice. And thank you to Astudink. As I said, I did buy these, but just saying thank you for shipping them out at the moment because obviously everybody is in isolation. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't been here before, hit the old subscribe button, give the video a like, leave a comment below, let us know if you like these and if you picked them up or if you picked up any of the clothes from the collection, because they're like the chore jacket is lovely. I don't need another chore jacket, but it is really, really nice. And the pants are super nice as well, but I can't find them in my size. Anyway, on that note, I'm just going to say like, subscribe, comment, all that jazz, and come along and join us for Sneaker Stream Sundays on Sundays, where Mr. B and I talk about sneakers and things that went on in the week. That is at 8 PM here in the UK, which is about 12 PM on the West Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast. So come along and join us for weekly sneaker banter. And that's about it really. I'm going to try these on and I'm going to have a blondie and I'm going to say goodnight. See ya.
See ya, SJ. They are really nice.
They are, aren't they?
They are really
They're
nice.
super nice.
Let's get like proper clothes because I'm really impressed with the quality of these.
Yeah, I mean that's what I said. The quality was going to make or break these,
Mm-hmm.
and the quality's lovely.